Welcome to Muscle Mind Health. Get ready to ignite your inner strength and push your limits in today's workout. Get ready to sculpt those biceps to perfection with these powerful exercises. Dumbbell cross-body hammer curl. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl, chest stretch. Pull up, chin up, dumbbell bicep curl, and one bonus exercise at end. Get ready for the first exercise. Watch the video until the end and do not miss any exercises. Dumbbell cross-body hammer curl.
To perform a dumbbell cross-body hammer curl, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your torso. Alternately curl one dumbbell diagonally across your body towards the opposite shoulder while keeping your upper arm stationary. Repeat on the other side. This exercise targets the biceps and forearms, promoting balanced arm development. Dumbbell cross-body hammer curl targets both biceps and forearms, promoting well-rounded arm strength and definition.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Dumbbell alternate biceps curl exercise helps build stronger and more defined biceps.
Get ready. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl.
To perform a dumbbell alternate biceps curl, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at arm's length by your sides, and curl one dumbbell while keeping the other arm straight. Alternate arms with controlled motions. This exercise targets the biceps, promoting balanced muscle development and strength. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl exercise helps build stronger and more defined biceps, improves arm aesthetics, and enhances functional upper body strength.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Dynamic chest stretch exercise enhances chest flexibility, relieves tension, and promotes better posture.
Get ready. Chest stretch.
To perform the dynamic chest stretch exercise, stand tall with feet shoulder width apart. Extend both arms to the sides at shoulder height. Begin by crossing your arms in front of your chest, then quickly open them wide, alternating which arm crosses over the other. This exercise improves chest flexibility and warms up upper body muscles. Dynamic chest stretch exercise enhances chest flexibility, relieves tension, and promotes better posture, helping prevent stiffness and discomfort in the upper body.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Wide front grip pull-up strengthens your back, biceps, and shoulders, enhancing upper body muscle definition.
Get ready. Pull up.
Performing a wide front grip pull-up involves grasping a pull-up bar with hands wider than shoulder width apart, palms facing away. Hang freely, then pull your body up until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself down with control. This exercise primarily targets the latissimus dorsi and helps build upper body strength, particularly in the back and biceps. Wide front grip pull-up strengthens your back, biceps, and shoulders, enhancing upper body muscle definition, posture, and overall functional strength.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Chin-up pull-up exercises strengthen the upper body, sculpting the back, biceps, and shoulders.
Get ready. Chin up.
To perform a chin-up pull-up exercise, find a sturdy horizontal bar, grip it with your palms facing you, arms fully extended. Hang from the bar, then pull your body upward until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself back down with control. This exercise targets the upper body, particularly the back and biceps, improving strength and muscle definition. Chin-up pull-up exercises strengthen the upper body, sculpting the back, biceps, and shoulders, while also enhancing grip strength and promoting better posture.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Dumbbell bicep curls build stronger, more defined biceps, enhancing both arm aesthetics and functional upper body strength.
Get ready. Dumbbell bicep curl.
To perform a dumbbell bicep curl exercise, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at arm's length, palms facing forward. Keeping your upper arms stationary, curl the weights while exhaling and then lower them slowly while inhaling. This exercise targets and strengthens the bicep muscles. Dumbbell bicep curls build stronger, more defined biceps, enhancing both arm aesthetics and functional upper body strength.
Ten seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds. We have added barbell drag curl exercise as bonus exercise. This exercise is very helpful for biceps workout. Get ready.
Barbell drag curl. To perform the barbell drag curl exercise, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a barbell with a shoulder width, palms up grip. Keep elbows close to the body and drag the barbell up your torso, squeezing your biceps. Lower it slowly. This isolates the biceps for a more intense workout. Barbell drag curls target the biceps, enhancing arm strength and size while improving muscle definition.
Ten seconds left. Congratulations on completing the workout. Remember, every rep brings you closer to your goals. Keep up the great work. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.